Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off hiding from notification panel do not disturb function in Samsung Galaxy A55 phone. So where to look for this option and how to turn it off. So we need to go to settings first, then in notifications under do not disturb at the very bottom we have hide notifications menu, and in here we have hide from notification panel. As you can see, this option is turned on. We can turn it off or we can turn off every single one, whatever we need from here, but we have this option here now off. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.